No problem. When the lights go out, it doesn't have to mean chaos or discomfort. Here we focus on pantry preparedness. Our goal is to ensure you're ready for anything. Today, I'll show you 15 practical ways to stay comfortable and confident when the power goes out. These tips are designed to help you maintain a sense of normalcy. Whether it's a summer grid overload or a winter storm, you don't need to panic. With a little preparation, you can handle any situation. We'll cover easy, effective solutions to make outages less stressful, and maybe even a little fun. From games to creative lighting, there's plenty to explore. Remember, not every tip fits every family, so pick what works for you. Tailor these ideas to suit your unique needs and circumstances. Let's turn the next blackout into just a minor inconvenience. With the right mindset and tools, you can transform a power outage into a memorable family experience. First up, solar garden lights. These affordable, low-maintenance lights are a blackout game-changer. Charge them outside or on a sunny windowsill during the day. When night falls, bring them inside and place them in key spots: bathroom, kitchen, hallways. They provide enough light to safely move around, no batteries or candles needed. Recharge them daily for multi-day outages. No more rationing batteries or worrying about running out of light. Simple, sustainable, and effective. Hand crank flashlights are a must-have. No batteries required, just a little elbow grease. A minute of cranking gives you several minutes of light, anytime, anywhere. They're perfect for kids. Cranking becomes a fun, empowering activity during outages. Stash them around the house in emergency kits and cars. Many models include radios or USB ports for extra utility. No more dead batteries in a crisis. Hand crank flashlights are essential for reliable, portable light. Let the kids help keep the lights on. Summer power outages can be absolutely brutal, especially when the air conditioning suddenly stops working and the temperature inside your home starts to climb. In these moments, a battery-powered fan can truly be a lifesaver, providing much-needed relief from the sweltering heat and helping everyone stay a little more comfortable. If you already own rechargeable tool batteries like those from Ryobi, DeWalt, or other brands, consider picking up a compatible fan. These fans are designed to run for hours on a single charge, making them perfect for extended outages. They're portable, easy to use, and can make a huge difference when the power is out. To make sure you're always ready, keep your batteries charged up and rotate them regularly. Having a few fully charged batteries on hand means you can swap them out as needed, ensuring your fan keeps running when you need it most. Set up your fan in the main living area or bedroom, wherever your family spends the most time, to help everyone stay cool and comfortable. Even during a long outage, a steady breeze can make a world of difference. Using your existing tool batteries for emergency prep is a smart and practical way to get more value from what you already own. It's a simple upgrade that can really pay off when the heat is on. Don't let the summer heat get the best of you. Stay breezy, safe, and comfortable, even when the power goes out. With a little planning, you can keep your cool all season long. Remember, tool batteries aren't just for the garage anymore. They're a versatile solution for powering all kinds of household items during emergencies. Cooking without power? No problem. Your grill is your outdoor kitchen. When the lights go out, your backyard becomes a culinary haven. Embrace the opportunity to grill your favorite meals under the open sky. Keep extra charcoal or a spare propane tank on hand just for emergencies. Stocking up ensures you're always ready to fire up the grill, no matter the circumstances. Camping stoves and rocket stoves are compact, efficient options too. These portable devices can be lifesavers, offering versatility and ease of use when traditional cooking methods are unavailable. Always cook outdoors or in well-ventilated areas for safety. Proper ventilation prevents harmful fumes from accumulating, ensuring a safe cooking environment for everyone. Plan your fuel and practice using your gear before you need it. Familiarity with your equipment can make all the difference in a pinch, turning potential stress into seamless meal preparation. A hot meal boosts morale and keeps everyone going. Sharing a warm dish can bring comfort and a sense of normalcy during challenging times. Don't let a blackout lock you out of a good dinner. With a little creativity and preparation, you can enjoy delicious meals even when the power is out. Your kitchen extends beyond four walls. Use it. Embrace the full potential of your outdoor spaces to create memorable dining experiences, regardless of the situation. Solar ovens let you cook, bake, and dehydrate using only sunlight. No fuel needed. They're perfect for sunny days and can reach up to 400 degrees. Just prep your food, aim the oven at the sun, and let it work. It's a slow, gentle cooking method, like a solar crockpot. Best for sunny climates, but a great way to save fuel for cloudy days. Turn a power outage into a solar-powered science experiment. Cook with the sun and keep your fuel reserves for later. Don't let an electric can opener trap your food. Manual can openers are a must. Keep several sturdy manual openers in different spots around your home. Cheap ones break, so invest in quality. 2 is 1, 1 is none. Always have backups. A manual can opener is the key to your food supply during an outage. Don't overlook this simple but critical tool. Be ready to open any can, anytime. Power banks keep your phone charged and connected during outages. Have a few charged and ready. Small ones for quick boosts, big ones for multiple charges. Store them with the right cables in a designated spot. Solar charging power banks add extra resilience for longer outages. Check and recharge your power banks monthly. Staying connected brings peace of mind and vital information. Don't let your digital lifeline go dark. In winter outages, an indoor safe propane heater can be a lifesaver. Only use models with safety features like low oxygen shutoff and tip-over protection. Always ventilate, crack windows for fresh air. Store propane safely outside and have enough for several days. Create a warm, central room for the family to gather. Safety first. Follow all guidelines. Stay warm, stay safe, and wait out the cold in comfort. A hand crank or battery-powered radio is your link to news and weather when the grid is down. No AA. Weather radios are best. They give real-time alerts for your area. Choose radios with multiple power options. Batteries, solar, and hand crank. Keep your emergency radio in your main kit, ready to go. Information is power. Know what's happening and make smart decisions. Don't rely on the internet or cell towers alone. Stay informed, stay safe. Water is your top priority. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. Use bottled water for drinking and cooking, and have filtration options for longer outages. Portable filters and gravity-fed systems can make questionable water safe. Fill bathtubs and containers for hygiene and flushing toilets. Layer your water plan. Storage, filtration, and non-potable supplies. Don't wait until the outage. Prepare now. Water security means true peace of mind. Conserve heat with layers and wool blankets. No power needed. Thrifted wool blankets are affordable and super warm, even when damp. Store them vacuum sealed and ready to deploy. Dress in layers, base, mid, and outer, for maximum warmth. Don't forget hats and socks. Most heat escapes from your head and feet. Simple, old-school solutions work best. Stay cozy and comfortable, no matter how cold it gets. Portable solar panels let you recharge power banks and small devices during long outages. They're slow but steady. Charge during the day, use at night. Not a quick fix, but a sustainable loop for essential electronics. Use them to keep phones, radios, and flashlights powered. Every bit of harvested sunlight helps. Solar charging means you're never truly out of power. Build your self-reliance, one sunny day at a time. Battery-powered LED tap lights, puck lights, are perfect for hands-free lighting. Stick them in bathrooms, hallways, and pantries for instant light at the tap of a finger. LEDs last a long time on just a few batteries. Great for kids and elderly family members. No fumbling for flashlights. Create safe, illuminated paths throughout your home. Inexpensive and easy to install. Targeted light, exactly where you need it. No water, no flushing. Have a bucket toilet system ready. Use a 5-gallon bucket with a snap-on seat for comfort. Cover waste with sawdust, peat moss, or kitty litter to control odor. Double bag and store waste for safe disposal later. Plan ahead for sanitation. Don't wait until it's urgent. Hygiene is critical for health during long outages. A simple toilet plan keeps things clean and manageable. Outages can be stressful. Plan for fun too. Keep a box of cards, board games, puzzles, and books ready. Gather the family for game night by lantern or candlelight. Reading, coloring, and creative activities keep everyone engaged. Turn a blackout into a cozy, memorable experience. Morale matters as much as food and warmth. Make memories, not just survive. That's 15 ways to make any power outage safer and easier. Build your preparedness in layers. Start small and add as you go. Every step makes your family more resilient. Share your own tips in the comments and subscribe for more preparedness ideas. Stay safe, stay ready, and stack it to the rafters. Until next time, be prepared and confident.